Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Scott, and you know what? I can eat. Guess who's back? I can't keep doing that. I have to think of something new. Today I am going to show you a new way to cook something that I think the world is obsessed with. I am talking about a humble potato product that is known and loved throughout most of the world, and that is the chip, or as my American self would like to call the French fry. Cooking them at home can be a little bit daunting, especially if you want to make them from scratch. There is the huge belief that triple cooking is the way forward, and just to some extent it really is. At home, that's really hard to do, unless you have a sort of commercial sized fryer, and most people don't. I don't even have a fryer. I use a saucepan. Imagine that. Some of the best things that I love about chips is when they're really crispy on the outside, fluffy on the inside, hot. But have you ever noticed, as soon as you put salt or vinegar on them, they start to go soft and mushy? Well, I don't like that. Today's method will help you avoid that. So we are going to cook our chips in a brine today. You say brine? You probably heard about brining like fried chicken to impart more flavor into it, or that's exactly what we're gonna do with our chips today. We need, even-sized chips. Some water, because I'm using our 750 milliliters water. To that, we're going to add 50 grams of potato starch. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put all that in there, use a whisk, get that all mixed up into a nice little slurry. To that, we are gonna add 2 tablespoons of salt. I hear you shrieking. All of the salt is not going to get onto the potatoes. A great proportion is gonna be left in sort of our brine. Give that another little mix around. Next thing, we're gonna add to our brining mixture, a tablespoon of white wine vinegar. Okay, take one of these roasting bags, because they're heat proof. We are going to pop our potatoes in there, and we're going to just pour it in there. Making a mess. Okay, so there we have our chips in brine. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna par cook the potatoes in boiling water. We are gonna leave our potatoes to cook for 20 minutes. These have cooked for about 20 minutes. Be careful because it's really hot, but as you can see, it's sort of solidified around our potatoes. As soon as they're cool enough to handle, you should take your chips out, put them onto a tray until you're ready to cook. Let's get ready to cook some. These are some that I did earlier. As you can see, they're quite jiggly, and you can see that they've got this thin film of goo about them. Okay, so our oil is ready to fry. We're just gonna put a couple of chips in at a time because it's going to bubble up. Look at these. Oh, wow. Okay, let's get this last batch out. And let's get rid of all this. Wow. Look at that nice craggy texture on our chips here. Crunchy, seasoned, fluffy on the inside, and delicious. Hear that crunch. It is crazy. So good. So I'm pairing my chips up today with Young's Tempura Beer Battered Cod. It's got a great crisp on it. You can really taste the beer. Fish is really delicious. So, Hear that crunch? Can't stop eating them. Proper, crunchy. I'm gonna stop. So, I hope that you enjoyed today's little lesson on how to cook the most amazing crispy chips or fries. Hope you learned something new. So what should I cook next? I have no idea. If you've liked what you've seen today, why don't you hit the subscribe button or watch another video. Until next time, I hope I need to learn something to say at the end of these things. See you soon. Bye. I'm gonna finish eating these, aren't I? Yeah, of course. So good. Let's get some more fish.